Let's solve this exponential equation. My suggestion is we take and let u equal 6 to the x. And then we can rewrite this equation. First of all, we're going to have this thing is going to be 6x times 6 minus 1 over 6 to the x equals 5. If I rewrite it, now I can see all the things that get to turn into u. There's a u, and there's a u. So this is 6u minus 1 over u equals 5. To me, you don't have to do it that way, but to me it's just easier to rewrite it in terms of u, and then I can deal with this like a quadratic equation, and then I can substitute the u, the 6x back in and solve it using logs and so forth. So let's do that. Now I'm going to multiply everything by u. I get 6u squared minus 1 equals 5u. That's a quadratic equation. So put it in standard form, subtract 5u from both sides, setting it equal to 0. Hopefully this factors. It's going to be 6u and u. Negative will have to be here and positive will have to be there, so that it becomes negative 5, and sure enough it does, which means 6u plus 1 equals 0, or u minus 1 equals 0, which means u equals negative 1/6, or u equals 1. And remember what u was?
6x.
That doesn't sound Englishly grammatically correct, but that is what u was. Remember what u was.
6 to the power.
U was 6 to the x. So 6 to the x equals negative 1 over 6, or 6 to the x equals 1. So what does this equal? 6 to the x equals, let's rewrite this in terms of base 6 to the negative 6 to the negative 1. All right?
1 over 6.
1 over 6 is negative to the negative first, right?
So 6 to the negative 1/6 equals x.
Yeah, I don't know if there's a solution for this. Here, let's do it like this. Yeah, this one's clearly 0.
Yeah.
Here x equals 0, so that's easy. But here, let's just take the log base 6 of both sides. Well, let's just think logically about this. Is there anything I can raise 6 to give me a negative number?
6 to
1. Negative 1.
Wait, what are you asking?
What's 6 to the x? What if I raise it to a negative number, does that give me a negative?
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. So remember what the graph looks like is this, of 6 to the x. No matter what I plug in, I'm never going to negative number.
Yeah.
And so this has no solutions right there. That has a solution. That first one, or the second one, has a solution of 0.
Oh, I can't see it.
And then, as always, plug in your answer to the original and make sure it works. If I plug in 0 there and there, I get 6 to the first minus 6 to the 0. 6 to the 0 is just 1. 6 minus 1 is 5, so that works. Done.